Hi everyone and welcome to Green Minimalist Life. Today I want to talk about two innovative companies which contribute to the circular economy through breakthrough technology. These two companies, which I would like to briefly introduce, are Carbios, a biochemistry company, and Tomra, a waste management and recycling pioneer. So let's get started. So let's have a look at the first company, Carbios. Carbios is a French biochemistry company located in, if I pronounce it correct, Saint-Bézieux-Puy-de-Dôme in France, and it was founded in 2011. Carbios is a pioneer in the field of new bioindustrial processes. They reinvent the life cycle of plastic and textile polymers by applying a new approach, enzymatic recycling. But what is enzymatic recycling? According to the company, around 70 million tons of PET plastic is manufactured every year worldwide. The conventional way of recycling plastics through thermomechanical processes has many disadvantages. The plastic used in packaging is degraded over time and it requires new plastic or resources in order to keep its quality. Also, plastic bottles can only be recycled into new ones just a few times before they are downcycled into non-recyclable products like cleaning rags. So it is clear here that this process had its limitations. As a response to this problem, the company has developed a new enzyme which can biologically depolymerize all PET plastic waste. Their optimized enzyme is very efficient at cutting the PET plastic into parts, meaning the enzymes decompose the plastic into the material's basic building blocks, called monomers. Those monomers can then be separated, purified, and used to make new plastic that's identical to the virgin material. And this at infinite times without losing its quality. This might sound very abstract to you, but let me try to demonstrate this process in a few simple steps. First, the enzyme is used to depolymerize a plastic polymer. In the next step, the remaining monomer is purified first and then repolymerized. The polymers can then be used to create new plastic bottles. So by recycling all types of PET waste infinitely times, 100% recyclable PET products can be produced without losing its quality. The company has achieved another milestone on November 19, 2020. Carbios produced first clear plastic bottles from recycled textile waste. Some textile waste contains a high PET content. So this innovation paves the way, a new way to recycle textile waste. Because conventional mechanical recycling technologies are not capable of recycling clothing waste efficiently. The few textiles that can be reused or recycled are used for lower quality products such as rags. This process is also called downcycling. But in contrast, Carbios solutions allow polyester textile fibers to be upcycled in a high quality grade of PET. This can be used to produce clear bottles, thus closing the recycling loop. So it's not a big surprise that the company was nominated to be one of the World Economic Forum's technology pioneers of 2021. Other big companies have recognized their big potential as well. Carbios and the cosmetic company L'Oréal founded the consortium in 2017. Many other big companies like Nestle, Waters, PepsiCo, and Suntory Beverage and Food Europe joined. So, in a nutshell, PET is the most common thermoplastic polymer. It is contained in bottles, polyester clothing fibers, food containers, and many more. Carbios' recycling process makes a real transition to a circular economy and can better prevent plastic pollution from harming our oceans and our planet. Yet, the company is at the very beginning of its success. Their technology has already made it possible to produce first PET bottles from monomers obtained from the depolymerization of PET plastic waste, as well as from PET polyester textile waste. An industrial demonstration plant, for which the operational startup is planned for the second half of 2021, is currently under construction on the site of the Michelin Group in Clermont-Ferrand. So the second company we are talking about is Tomra Group. Founded in 1972, Tomra Group is a pioneer in waste collection management as well as recycling. The company is committed also to the circular economy and is located in Asker in Norway. Tomra has a holistic resource system which is a combination of waste management practices for collecting, sorting and recycling. Thus, they contribute to close the recycling loop as well by reducing global CO2 emissions and reducing waste. The company's solution is based on two pillars, according to my research. Their recycling solutions is based on a sensor-based technology which increases the precision of recycling processes, and their reverse vending machines to collect materials while providing valuable insight into the composition of those materials. Talking about the first pillar, the collecting solutions, which you might have already spotted in your supermarket, is the Tomra reverse vending machines for collecting bottles for recycling. Tomra's RVMs provide an automated method for collecting, sorting, and handling the return of used bottles for recycling. To date, Tomra has approximately 80,000 recycling vending machines installed across more than 60 markets. According to the company, almost 1.4 trillion bottles are produced every year, which use a large amount of packaging materials. The company also managed three other benefits of their vending machines. First, and most importantly, the benefits to the environment. Through its innovative RVM, Tomra maximizes materials value and maintains materials properties as the containers are sorted by material type. It keeps the material fractions so clean that they can even be recycled into new containers, thus closing the material loop. Also, Tomra's systems decrease transportation needs as the materials is sorted and compacted on site, optimizing transportation capacity and avoiding transport movements. Second, Tomra systems are convenient and engaging for users. Recycling is made easy, as the RVS typically installed inside or at the entrance of grocery retail stores. The company also saw the benefits of customer rewards. The RVS engages users when the owners uses the RVS as a tool for sales promotions, money, or CSR programs. And lastly, it has benefits for businesses by reducing labor costs in stores as the RVM replaces manual tasks to sort the material. The second pillar is concerned with sorting solutions of Tomra. The sensor-based technology of Tomra sorting systems allow to sort out materials according to the plastic types like material or color. Furthermore, Tomra has other sorting systems for mineral and ore sorting equipment. But we will not go into depth into these solutions. If you're interested in reading more about it, you can read the articles and videos provided in the link below. So let's have a look at the collecting solutions with the example of how a deposit return scheme works. Imagine Noah buys a drink with a refundable of 25 cents and returns it back to the stores at the RVM machines. The bottle is collected and sent to a recycling plant where it is ground into small pieces and later turned into a new bottle. So this is how the recycling loop is closed. So let's have a look at Tomra's sorting solutions. Tomra's sorting sensors scans the bottles and collect data across multiple characteristics to ensure the precise identification of a wide range of materials. So the PET plastic is then separated between, for example, by color or material type. This allows the plastic to be recycled more efficiently in order to use it for new products. So if you want to know more about the sorting solution and how it works, you can find the videos below in the show notes. So to conclude, I know that I'm not an expert in the field of recycling, but I was still very fascinated that there are companies out there who are trying to find solutions for sustainable living. Also, my intention was not to make an in-depth analysis of the companies, but merely give you a first insight on what they're doing. I'm very curious what the future will hold and how the companies will continue. So what are your thoughts? What companies do you know that have a similar vision to combat climate change and who contribute to a sustainable environment? Please feel free to share in the comments below. If you like this video or you want to receive more updates on sustainability topics, don't forget to subscribe my channel.